you don't say that in front of these thousands of people. My God. So, Jedge. So you don't say that in front of so many people. She should have just said, well, guys, I'm very sorry. I will have to leave you for now because my brain is signaling that my bladder is full and expanding. So I will have to release my urine through my urethra. Social, di ba? Pero sa Jologs, ang ibig sabihin lang nun, tol, alis lang ako, puta, puputok na pantog ko eh. Ganun na yun sa Jologs. Pero yung mga pasosyal, oh my God, my bladder is full and I will have to release my urine through my urethra. Ganon. Umaga. Bakit naman naglakad to? Don't make me cry. Don't make me feel like you really love me. Please, I'm not used to that. I'm kind of fragile and vulnerable lately. Don't... Fuck it. I haven't done much yet. Don't give me that... Oh, no. But... Di ba pwede na ako leader ng X-Men, ano? Nakakapagpahinto ako ng mga tao. Sabi ko sa inyo, ilang buwan na lang magtatayo ako ng kulto. Promise. Pero, but seriously and sincerely, thank you very much you guys for being here. This is our second night and it's a very successful night kahit kasi simula pa lang namin. Ang sarap, nararamdaman na namin yung tagumpay kasi nakikita namin yung presensya nyo, yung ngiti ninyo, ang dami-dami na ninyo. Sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, syempre, understandable na pinag-iisipan natin kung saan natin ginagastos sa mga pera natin. And we are very grateful na pinili nyo kami na paggugulan ng mga ipon ninyo, ng mga pera ninyo. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. So just enjoy the night. Mas maganda nga kung be in the moment. Alam mo yun yung mga namimiss natin ginagawa, yung being in the moment. Kasi most of the time naka-cellphone tayo. Diba? So pag nanonood kayo ng concert, habang nagko-concert, cellphone kayo ng cellphone. Ang mahal-mahal ang binayad nyo, tapos magsi-cellphone. So saan nyo panonoorin? Sa bahay? So dapat panoorin nyo. Kasi lugi kayo eh. Manonood kayo, isi-cellphone nyo, tapos ipopost nyo. Yung mga hindi nakapagbayad, nakanood ng libre. At eto pa ang masakit dyan ha. Yung mga nanonood dito, yung mga nagbabayad, nag-e-enjoy hanggang sa pag-uwi, nag-e-enjoy masaya. Yung mga hindi nagbayad, tapos nakinood lang, naklamputa yung pa yung may mga opinion. Aminin nyo, sila pa yung na-offend. Ba't kayo? Ano pa pangalan niyo, sir?
Elias.
Elias. Ay! Elias pala pa. Tayo sayawin natin yan bagay sa inyo. Ay, tara. Talagang, yung cameraman, siya talagang nag-decide. Usog ka rito, hindi kita Hindi pwede ikaw mag-adjust. Kailangan ako mag-a-adjust. Pwede ka lang umikot dito, di ba? So ako pa nakakaabala sa'yo. Gago, show mo to! Show mo! Ginano niya talaga ako eh. Ako mag-a-adjust sa'yo. Ay, sorry. Baka tinatamaan kayo dyan. Okay. Oo, oy, hello. Tayo ka, ang gapo nito. Diyos ko, nakakatuwa. O, syempre, may palakpakan naman natin kasi tayo ka. Kasama natin si Senator Villanueva. Yun ang kumakain. Siya to. Ay, hindi siya. Ay, sorry. Kala ko si Senator Villanueva ka. Okay. Sorry. Mamaya na nga. Ready na si Regine? Regine, tagal mo naman mag-bidet. Sabi mo, iihi ka lang. Well, anyway. Thank you very much. No, you don't have to do that. I am able. Thank you. No. Don't make me feel like I'm incapacitated. Tabi na! Kaya putang! Bumaka ako invalido! Kaya ko to! Ipinatawag ko kayong lahat. Alam mo, wala na to sa ano, ang tagal talaga niya bumalik. Oh, ayan. Okay na, nakapagpalit na siya ng panty shield. Ayun, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, because I am very sure that what you're going to see, Araneta Coliseum, are you ready? Allow me to introduce to you the one and the only songbird, the pride of the Philippines, one of the best performers that the Philippines have ever celebrated. So please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Asia's songbird, who happens to be the wife of the chief of OPM, Augie Alcacid, one of the brightest but the smallest artists in the Philippines. But don't fret, regardless of the height, he was able to impregnate the songbird that we have. Ang tagal mo magbihis, tapos mag-intay ka dyan. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please welcome Asian songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid! Umiyak pa, oh.
A long, long time ago, in the faraway kingdom of Divalandia, the deafening silence carried and cradled a distinct, haunting harmony. Endowed with a voice so delicate and pure, she sang beautiful celestial melodies that mirrored a songbird's hymn. Her ethereal whisper